Hi, my name is David Sexton. I was talking to you today about the accessibility technology that can bring success to students with limitations to both their visual or hearing. And I personally have had experience with a young lady who was not able to see very well. The technology we had at that time was just to make copies and make them very, very large for her so that she could get down to the paper. And literally, she was maybe a couple of inches away from the paper to try to read it. Nowadays, there are so many different programs out there. Microsoft has visual aids that will literally increase the size of the font on screen to make it easier for the student to see. Google has voice typing and editing. Literally, you can speak and it will type and edit a paper for you. Microsoft, Google, and Apple all have accessibility to a Braille keyboard in which a student can type and be able to communicate and pass along their ideas, thoughts, and processes. All of these things are readily available to students nowadays, and technology is giving us the opportunity to reach kids where they are in places that we've never been able to do so before.